turns out there's actually like 2.5 acres we haven't actually seen.
And we would have to pay extra for it. And he wasn't sure, but maybe there might be a creek. It's really swampy. If we paid extra for 2.5 acres of swamp, I don't really feel like that's a great deal. You hear the owl?
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, once we make it past this,
Oh my,
we should be okay.
my feet are sinking. This would be a great spot for an off-grid Airbnb, because it would be just impossible to do the utilities, like septic, perk test,
Yeah.
power, who knows how much that would cost, and then a well. People could drive around the edge, and then you could do your little boardwalk to their cabin.
You could absolutely put something back here that's a primitive cabin.
Also, we hear crazy coyotes at night. We were saying we're gonna come down here soon and try to get some recording of that.
Try to scope them out.
Yeah.
All right, now I see our property marker up there. This big tree is on our property.
It's so beautiful. And this is where we thought the property ended. They said it was right by this tree. Ah. Ah. Shh. Casey, shh.
That's a big barred owl.
See, but there's a marker. That's...
Oh, okay, so that's the actual marker. The other one that's over there must have blown, or it's a straight line. So here technically it's not, but if we go up this way, so like it's hard to tell how to like walk straight, I guess. We need to put up T-posts.
I thought it would be really cute if we had a picnic. But
well,
this is not what I was imagining.
I think there might be a spot up here that'll work.
How thick is it? I really hope we don't get chiggers.
Me too, that's why I have my pants tucked into my shoes. Okay, here's our property marker.
Is that it?
Get the raccoon paws and the bird paws, otherwise known as feet. I think she's okay. The mud's pretty soft.
That not hurt really.
Right there.
Am I muddy?
Not too bad. Your hair's a little muddy.
Oh my gosh.
It's slippery out here, folks.
We made it.
How you feel? Invigorated?
Ow. Yeah.
So we've kind of stepped on it a little bit, but you can see that there are raccoon paws, little hand prints.
Oh. We should bring a trail cam.
Yeah, there needs to be one here
Oh
so we can see.
Look at the little hole footprint.
Yeah, that's I think that's the back foot, raccoon back foot, but I might be lying to you.
Do you say raccoon?
A raccoon.
Since when do you say raccoon?
I don't know, I just like to change it up sometimes.
You know how sad it would have been if we had bought the original property and then one day we came over here looking for our property line and we're like, let's just see what's a little bit further.
And then there's a whole creek here
And we came over here and it
that
was
we missed
this.
out on.
How cute. Better watch out.
That's for real. We're not gonna be able to make it back up. Stephanie's on her redemption arc.
Oh, God, I really almost fell again. Okay, just so you can see why exactly that was so hard.